TVS Motor Company introduces the revolutionary TVS iQube 2.2, a smart electric scooter for an introductory price of just 799,000 rupees inclusive of VAT. Designed with a premium build, superior quality, it also offers you ultra low cost savings. Now featuring a peak power of 4.6 kilowatt hours, it can accelerate from 0 to 40 kilometers per hour in just 4.2 seconds. Run on a single charge for 75 kilometers, and what's best, it can be recharged from 0% to 80% in just 2 hours with a plug-and-play portable charger. So Pulse is here at the BMICH Colombo for the grand launch of this next-gen scooter at the Colombo Motor Show 2024. Do stay tuned and check out for yourself if this isn't the best bargain for a premium e-scooter. I'm Aloka and you are living it with Pulse. The all-new TVS iQube 2.2 offers an electrifying blend of speed, safety and almost savings as well. Here with us is Madhu Prakash Singh, the Vice President of the EV International Business for TVS. So Mr. Singh, first of all, congratulations indeed. And let me ask you, what makes the TVS iQube 2.2 stand out in the global EV market?
Oh, lovely question. So TVS iQube 2.2 delivers all the goodness, all the quality, reliability and safety of the TVS iQube 3.4. It's been made on the basis of the research that we've had with a lot of our customers. They wanted an affordable electric scooter because their ride is normally not more than 25 to 30 kilometers a day. At the same time, some customers do have a range anxiety. But TVS delivers what it promises. When we say we're going to deliver 75 kilometers for a single charge, we do deliver 75 kilometers for a single charge in reality. And we have done a lot of tests around that. And we see that our customers are very satisfied with that.
Joining us now is Geethal Anthony, CEO of TVS Lanka. So Mr. Anthony, I have two questions for you. One is, what excites you the most about launching this TVS iQube 2.2 in Sri Lanka? And secondly, how do you plan to support overall Sri Lanka in transitioning to electric vehicles as a whole?
TVS Lanka has been 30 years in the Sri Lankan market, specializing in the micro automobile sector, mainly two-wheelers, three-wheelers and the aftermarket. If you take the total two-wheeler industry, we believe that in the next 1 to 2 years, at least 20 to 25% of the total market will be with EV. Because Sri Lanka is a fast adapting country and we are very concerned about the environment and our surroundings. So with this 799,000 scooter coming into the market, we believe that we will be able to be the market leader because we are providing very good finance schemes through finance companies, and even the finance companies can trust TVS brand because it has been there for 30 years in Sri Lanka.